Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be reviewing the Swiss Army knife Huntsman. First off, starting with the small blade. So, just like a tiny Swiss Army knife. Like, that's the knife. Here's the big knife, which is made for this one.
Look how low his health is. Come on.
Here is the saw blade.
After all that. Come on, Yellow, you got this. Kill him.
And guys, these aren't toys. Like, these are really dangerous. So be careful and don't put your fingers in the way whenever you're closing them. You can cut your fingers off.
So close. You're so close. Pew. What is this pew face? Okay, Yellow, you almost died there. No. Careful. Kill him.
Now,
What is he doing?
the bottle opener. It's so hard to open.
Just shoot him. He's on the ground. How did you die? He was literally laying there.
I don't really know which one's the bottle and can opener.
What was that?
Pretty sure this is
Are you kidding
the
me?
can opener.
Stay away, snakes. No. Ow.
Now,
No, not the snakes. Please, not the snakes.
toothpicks.
Toothpicks. I hate the snakes. I hate the stupid snakes. Okay, that's it. I need to get the next boss. That's what
Dylan's watching Dennis.
No, get away from me, Ivy!
Stop.
No. I want nothing to do with that. It's snakes again. What's with all these snakes? Get away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Oh, I won. Okay.
corkscrew.
I'll take it. All right. So what do I do now? Is there going to be? Oh, I think there is going to be a boss battle potentially. Just pick up the gun, and then shoot it. Shoot.
That's a hook. You can hook it on stuff.
You got it. No! Red gets it again. Are you kidding me? I did so much damage.
And this is the sewing thing. I can't get this open. But anyways,
What is happening? I can barely see what I mean in shooting. Can you actually still?
there.
Can you? Oh,
It's a little sewing pin.
Can you? What's it called?
So yeah, that's the review of the Swiss Army Huntsman knife. So, bye.